Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today I'm going to show you how to put windshield wiper fluid in a 2001 Suzuki Grand Vitara XL7. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pop the hood, and then you're going to come over here, and it's the bottle on the driver's side with the blue top, and you're going to open it up. Get some windshield wiper fluid. And we're here in central Minnesota. It gets down to like 40 below wind chill. So we're going to be using some Prestone all season. Goes down negative 27 degrees, I believe, is the coldest I could find. So I know I'm not a very good shot here, so. But you get it all filled up, then you put the top back on, and you're good to go. So that is how you put windshield wiper fluid in a Suzuki Grand Vitara XL7. I hope this helped you out if you wanted to know where the thing was to put it in and how to do it. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out here on the homestead. I'll see you guys later.